Hey everybody, hope everybody is having a great week. This is Sean Bukowski here. Can't believe we're already at the end of May, heading into summer. So hope everybody's doing well. This week in our blog, we talked about shortage of supply. It's kind of been a big topic on everybody's mind lately because housing prices are skyrocketing, and a big reason for that, or so I've been told and heard, is that there's a shortage of building material supply out there. And so I wanted to kind of take a quick look at it. Obviously, like with everything, we're not going super in depth, but we wanted to get a quick overview of this so that we can really kind of figure out, is this right? Is this what's going on? And so, the threshold question, I guess, was, is there a shortage of supply? Is that actually real? And I don't think you can answer that quickly. Yes, it's a pretty straightforward result there, because there is a shortage of building material supply. And I think the one that comes to the mind when we talk about this to most people is lumber. There's a drastic shortage of lumber, and the question is why? What happened? What caused this? And I reckon you can guess, right? COVID. COVID caused a shortage of building supply, especially lumber. And what happened was that, first of all, there was a drastic reduction in supply because for a while things were just shut down, as you know. Early to mid last year, production at so many different things was just shut down. And as a result, the supply plummeted of all the building materials. Flip side of that, while this was happening, demand increased greatly because people were sitting at home and looking around at some of their sort of unfinished home improvement projects and thought, maybe I should get working on that. And so the demand for building materials has increased dramatically. And this, we talked before in this blog about how there's a housing shortage in the United States. And so once people got back to work, and once, as COVID, later in the summer, early fall, people could get back to work, new home starts also started. And so you had not only home improvement projects, but also these additional home starts that really dramatically increased the demand for building supplies. So what you have now is a drastic reduction in supply, a drastic increase in demand, and you don't have to be an economics expert to know what's going to happen. So what has happened is building supply prices have skyrocketed. And that goes for lumber, which we talked about. I don't even know what the exact percentage is anymore, but it's astronomical. And that goes for other building supplies too. And so when your supplies increase like that, the cost of building has increased dramatically, and it's a real problem. What's going to happen in the future? I don't know. Most analysts kind of think that as the vaccine becomes more prevalent, then production will actually ramp up and increase to meet that increased demand, and that should happen. I'm sure it's starting now, but the analysts I read really thought that to really get to where we need to be, it's probably going to take well into 2022, if not 2023. So as a result, the high prices for building and for construction may be here to stay for a while, unfortunately. Well, that's it for this week. Sign up, become a subscriber to the blog and to these videos, and everybody have a great Memorial Day weekend. Thanks a lot.